Understanding clip in English. Hello, language learners. Today, we're diving deep into the English phrase, clip in. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what it means, how to use it, and in what context it's most commonly found. Clip in is a phrasal verb which usually means to attach or secure something using a clip or fastener. It's often used to describe the action of joining two objects together in a temporary but secure manner. Example: I decided to clip in my hair extensions for the party tonight. 1. Hair extensions. One of the most common contexts you'll hear, clip in, is when talking about hair extensions. These are pieces of hair that individuals can clip into their natural hair to add length or volume. 2. Cycling. For those into cycling, clip in refers to the action of securing one's shoes to the pedals of a bike. Cyclists use special pedals and shoes that allow them to clip in and optimize their pedaling efficiency. 3. Mountain climbing. In mountain climbing, climbers might clip in their ropes to carabiners to secure themselves and ensure safety. 1. Clip-on. This is similar to clip-in, but is often used when something is attached to the outside of another object. For example, you might clip on a badge to your shirt. 2. Clip-out. This is essentially the opposite of clip-in. If you clip in your shoes to the pedals of a bike, you'd clip out to detach them. And there you have it. The phrase, clip in, might seem simple at first, but it's versatile and can be used in various contexts. We hope this video helped shed light on its meaning and usage. Until next time, keep learning and exploring the fascinating world of the English language.